Next topic, that is comments. So you know what is a comment and what is the use of comment. Comments are used to add remarks or notes in the source code. Comments are not executed by the interpreter. That is, purpose of comment is used for making source code easier for humans to understand. That is, for example, there are if a programmer, if we develop a program or if we develop a big program, the program may contain thousands of codes or lines, and there is anyone or any of the user want to know about any particular code. He not know about that code. So if we want to know anything about that code, the programmer can include a statement about the line or code for the user to understand. That codes are called comments. So comments, there are two types of comments: single line comment and multi-line comment. So single line comment, for example, if I want to write any comment in one line, so that we use single line comment. And for single line comment, comments start by using hash. After hash, you can write anything about the program. So that is in a single line. That type of comments are called a single line comment. If I want to write a comment in one line, so that type of comments are called single line comment. And for example, a program that is contains so many lines, so many codes are there. So if I want to write a comment about any of the code in 2 or 3 lines, comment is in 2 or 3 lines. So that type of comments are called multi-line comments or doc strings. Another name, that is doc strings. And single line start by using hash, and you type the comment. So multi-line, if it is the comment is in more than 2 or 3 lines, you can, or any number of lines, start by using triple quotes and end by using triple quotes. Comments start by using triple quotes, then you write that dotted lines are called your your comments. That is about the program, and you, after typing the comments, closed by using triple quotes. Okay, and one example, for example, this is a program, and in this program, starting hash example program. This is an example program. So program start by using hash example program. That is a comment. That is in the source code file. Okay. So I save this program as eg3.py. Okay, eg3.py, and the starting of the program code, I put a hash symbol. That hash symbol is known as comment, single line comment. Okay, so this program code, you know how to take this program code. That is from the IDE. You have to click on the IDE Python. Click on the IDE Python. Then this window will open. This is a script interactive mode window. You click on the file option, then you take new option. Automatically you got this window like a notepad. Here file, edit, format, run options are there. Type the program code. After typing, you can click on file menu and click on save as option. If you click on save as option, that you know a save as dialog box will appear. Give a name. Here I give already gave a name, that is eg3.py. py is the extension, and you click on the save button. Okay, automatically it is saved by using eg3.py extension. So after that, if I want to run this program, okay, if I run this program, what will happen? Only this print statement will be printed. For example, run module. My first program, I am working with script mode. It saves the statement. Okay. So again, if you want to close this Python shell, then you click on the close button. Output screen, you can click on the close button. Okay, then this is the window, source code window. Again, if you want to do the next program, no need to close this one. You have to click on file menu, click on new. Okay, do the next one, then you can close this one. Okay. So after doing Python program, it is already saved. So you click on the close button here, or you can use file, exit, or close. Okay, any method you can use. Okay, clear.